डर लग रहा स्कूजा 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 So guys, let me tell you about the skiing prices and the options that you have over here. So what you can do is you can come here and rent it out instead of bringing your own stuff, because it might be quite expensive also to carry, and it might be inconvenient. So what you can do is come over here, just hand over an ID, and all you have to do is you have to return it before 4 p.m. So that's one of the things. So guys, you can rent out all of these things. So the complete set is just for 25 euros, and you can have this, the shoes, the handle and the helmet. So this is a complete set. Also, if you don't want to do the big ski, what you can do is you can take the small one, okay, which is just 10 euros, and it's a great experience. So for the newcomers, we suggest they can take that one. And this is the person. That's it. Yay, Aviral! So Aviral has hired a person to pull him. बचा लेना, हाँ टेंशन मत, बचा लेना। हे भगवान, हे भगवान। भाई अब राइट लेफ्ट करना भी आ गया है, देखा मस्त कोई बारी नहीं। गए पेड़ में गए। ये इनका है, दिस इज आवर स्नोमैन। बन रहा है 10 मिनट के बाद veramente è un po' sproporzionato è quella della immagina quando le lezioni So guys, we bought this piece of monster for bullshit 80 euros. Just imagine. So just bring your own beers. You have to do BYOB, which is bring your own booze, so you do not make this mistake. So now I'm gonna just open it. It's so cool, man. Oh man. Also you can the Dakkan is cold. Also you can build bing also you can bring a warm beer. Also you can bring a warm beer and you can chill it in the our local freezer.
2, 1, go, bolo.
Guys, this is the exclusive Etna bar, and it's only table is only available by reservation. We are lucky that we are free, so we got a table right now, and we'll show you the experience of the spaghetti, whatever we have available, and we'll show you.
अबे तुम्हारा कौन सा है?
ये वाला माशियारानो,
दो स्पेगेटी अल पोमेदारो, उन्नी मेचरोनी अल अबकारेबिटो, वन क्रॉस्टरी दी पदार्थी जैसा crocete di patate,
uno
and uno buschetta tomato. So guys, we are hungry. It was a very hard and very difficult day because we were struggling to go to the top, climb the mountain and come down. Okay.
And you know, you have seen our friends are injured because they tried to, you know, go on the hilly area.
Yeah, so just try to go for simpler areas where people who are trained and professional, they can do, you know, bouncy mountain. I tried and I just slipped. So I mean, my back is still paining. So but now we were hungry, so we came to one of the fine dining restaurants. So of course it's a little expensive, but of course, like, since we're in the mountain, we wanted to try something new.
It's approximately 20 euro per person.
Per person.
You can
But
have it.
I ordered spaghetti and bruschetta. Let's see how it looks like. What did you order? Patatini.
Patatini frite, but a different type of spaghetti. And one of my friends have ordered one more bruschetta and wine.
One more spaghetti also. So that's nice. So we're gonna see how the food is, give you the review, and also show you how the food looks like. So it was a very good experience. Finally, after a lot of difficulties, and thanks to our senior, that he arranged the reservation with so much crowd.
Here, if we suggest you, if you have come over here, in the morning itself, you book a reservation, because what happens, everybody comes here and in the morning they book the reservation. So it's already booked. They have reservation booked. So the first thing you do, if you want to eat here, is book the reservation. Otherwise, you will have to be very lucky, like us, to get the.
Otherwise, you have to sit outside somewhere, and you know it's very crowded.
And they will not serve you the things which are here there. You will only get basic snacks or fries.
Only fries or maybe some bread inside, like that. But it's not worth it, right?
It's not worth it.
Okay, so let's short the video and then we'll see.
We'll show you how the food is. Let's go.
Grazie.
Let's देख के कुछ appetizing तो लग रहा है. Let's dive into our appetizer.
So guys, we have got some breads and we have got some
Pasta
spaghetti.
casa.
So we can try this also.
Pasta con la salsa.
Pasta con la sauce.
Siciliano pasta con la salsa.
Sì, siciliano. The new tourist. Grazie.
So guys, we are trying the authentic pasta spaghetti. Yummy, 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 yummy. Tasty tha.
So guys, they have arranged a small dance party in the snow, open snow. So they do not want to cause disturbance. So they are handing out for the ESN students a free, which is included basically, a free headphones, and it's a silent DJ party. So we'll see a lot of people shaking, dancing, and they'll be listening to their own songs, and it's going to be fun. So if you want, you can maybe listen to your music and dance as well. And it's about to, you know, the sun is about to set in maybe 1 hour, and the weather is about to become it's much colder from when we came in the afternoon and morning. And yeah, that's it. Overall, we have calculated, so overall our cost, total cost per person was approximately 50 euro, which is including the food which we just had, including the skating board, including the travel and everything, you know, from start till end. So I think it was a very good experience, and we suggest you to, try the same by yourself. Avril, bye. How was it?
Hi.
Hi. Are you ready for the silent DJ party?
No.
No? No. We can dance like this only without it.
But how would you take the earphones, man? You do not have the card, no? Your card is deposited there.
No, they do not need a card.
They need a card.
They need a card? No problem. I have another card, ATM card. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and please comment down below what would you like to do, and if you like any experience and if you want to know more, just comment down below and we will get back to you with more such videos. Ciao.
And next time, if you're coming to Vietnam, do call us. We can try to send you a guide with you, and he will explore you, take you all the places, would show you all the good places, and would come back with you.
So guys, let me just tell you what all essentials you need to pack for Etna. Before that, we will let you know the ideal time to come over here is from December to Feb, and don't forget to pack these things.
Pack whiskey.
So don't forget to pack these things. Keep a hand glove and keep a very thick jacket because it's very cold out there. And usually the weather is not this kind. It's very.
Some chakna also.
And keep some chips, keep some water, because there is lot of there's a lot of bars, but you won't be able to find like water or something like that because it's very expensive over here. So I suggest you keep that. And lastly, I will just put a trip guide that you can follow to reach here without any hesitation. Yeah. So keep following for more, and see you until then. Bye.
See you
guys.
then, man. And come to Italy. It's a good place. Eat, chill, relax, dance, and then do whatever you want. Bye bye.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.